Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akimbola speaking. So in today's video, I want to walk you through um, specific beginners if you are just starting to learn about Facebook ads. This video tutorial is for you. So all you need to do is log into your account and walk through step by step everything I'm going to be sharing with you. So if this content resonates with you and it's like something you would like to see, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you like this particular video. All right, so without further ado, let's go into the video once. All right, so once you get to your Facebook account, um now you must make sure that you have page set up. A Facebook page has to be set up. So you can see here is a Facebook page here. So if you have a Facebook page set up here, you click on it, you would see the Facebook page currently available for you, to you in your account. Is that okay? So for instance, this particular account has just one Facebook account created. So if you don't have any Facebook page, it will ask you to create one, and you can come here, you can see create new Facebook page. I won't be walking you through that because it's very straightforward. So all you need to do is click on create new page, click on create new page, and voila, you are ready to go. Is that okay? So the next thing I would love to show you also is that after you've created your Facebook page, you need to make sure that you've created uh, an Instagram account. So the reason is because so that when you're running ads from Facebook and Instagram, for instance, you are intending to run your ads on Facebook and on Instagram, then you would not have issues. So once you're running your ad on Facebook, it will also automatically run on Instagram. So that means you're not just running your ad on Facebook alone, you're going to be running your ad both on Facebook and Instagram. So you are having more chances, you're increasing your chances of visibility. Is that okay? So once that is done, you should also connect the Facebook account to the Facebook page. That is, the Facebook account also has to be connected to the Facebook page. Once these two accounts are connected, then you're ready to start running your ads immediately. Is that okay? So once this page, okay, let's go to this particular page. Now, for instance, how do you connect your Facebook page to your how do you connect your Facebook page and your Instagram account together? All you need to do is come to scroll down here. You can do that in your Meta Business Suite. That's the place you would be able to um, do that. That's the place you'll be able to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. Once it loads up, you come to all tools, or you come to settings, whatever the case is. So if we go to business manager, we just pick account quality also. That's one way of doing it. And the other way of doing it is if you come to, okay, we don't have settings here, but let's do it here on quality, account quality. So if it opens up on account quality, all I'll need to do is to just a minute. All I need to do is come to business settings. Once I come to business settings, I will okay, so for very good, this is perfect. So this account doesn't have a business manager set up for it. So what I will need to do first is to create a business account. Is that okay? So that's why it's a walkthrough for beginners. So if you are faced with issues like this, so you might have a Facebook page, but you don't have a Facebook um business manager. Is that okay? You might have a Facebook page, but you don't have a Facebook business manager. So whatever the case is, I got you covered. So all you need to do now is to come to that particular business, what's it called now? The business manager. You can see that it's asking you to create an account. Is that okay? So if it's asking you to create an account, all you need to do is click on create an account and add your business name. So let's say the name of my business ABC test test, for instance. Your name is showing up here, and you add your email address immediately. So add in your email address. So let's say the email address abc@gmail.com. This is just a test. So once you're done creating a business manager, then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, it automatically creates a business account for you. And meanwhile, a test email will be sent to this particular email address. Do you understand? A test email will be sent to the email address. Once the test email is sent to the email address, you go to the email address to verify your email account. So once you go to your email account, you verify the email account, and then you click on done. Once you click on done, voila, your business manager is set. Your business manager is set. So once I come here and I click on account quality now, it will no longer take me to that particular page you saw the other time. It will take me right straight into account quality because I have a business manager set up for my account. Is that okay? So the next thing you need to do here is to come to Ads Manager. So on Ads Manager, all you need to do is to click on um, okay, allow it to load up. All right, so all you need to do once you come to the Ads Manager is to just 1 minute. Okay, so click on, you will see this how your ad manager looks like. So I'll be attaching a video on the right hand side of this particular video to show you how I set up ads, but just a quick walkthrough. Click on create. Once you click on create, there are three major things you must know here. You have the this is where you select, this is the campaign level, so you select the campaign that's suitable for the particular ad you want to run. Is that okay? So depending on the kind of campaign you want to run, so if you want to run an awareness campaign, you can read up here. You can see on the right hand side it's showing you what awareness campaign covers. It covers reach, brand awareness, video views, store location, and awareness and other things. So traffic campaign as well, it covers other things like link clicks and other things like that. So engagement as well covers as many things as possible. So you can see that on the right hand side of your um, ad. Is that okay? So whatever the case is, make the right selection, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, and meanwhile, you know that you can't run a sales campaign or a lead campaign without having a website. Is that okay? It's very important you have a website so that you can be able to optimize the ad for the ad you're running. So all you need to do in the campaign level is to click on next. Once you click on next, on the ad set level, all you need to do is to select the page you're working on. After you selected the page, come here, select the best location. So location is very important, and the age range. So your ad sometimes is not specific, is not for everybody. Is that okay? So you must be specific, and your interest also. So I'll be making a video, another video to walk you through how to set interest. So once you do that, make sure you set up or select the right um, objective placement. So now if you are picking advantage placement, you are giving Facebook all the work to do, and meanwhile you end up spending more on irrelevant placement. So the best thing I would advise you do is come to manual, especially if you are running a lead generation campaign and you have not yet run an ad before. So just click on select just Facebook and Instagram, and then you can optimize. Is that okay? So click on next to set up your ad. So you can see that there are three levels: the ad set, the campaign, the ad set, and the ad level. So on this ad level, you are just selecting your preferred page and Instagram account, and thereafter you can add in all your creatives. How do you add in all your creatives? Very easy. All you need to do is to come here and make sure this is set on create ad. You can see that single or image. So you can also add carousel, that is, you can add multiple images that will be scrolling, and then you can also edit this an auto generated content. So I can delete it and click on to remove everything and click on add image. I can add a particular image of my desire. Once I add the image, I can also create a copy. So how do you create a copy? Just go to copy.ai. So this is an artificial intelligence that can help you generate copy. So I'll be making a video also on how to do that. So sign up. Once you sign up and type in the necessary information, it will be able to generate a copy for you. So once you're done, so let me add the image I want to use. So if this is the image I want to use, add the image and then add a copy to the image. So add a copy. Once you add the copy, don't forget the headline. This is where your copy is. The copy is the details of what you want the customer to know about your product. And don't forget the headline is, it must be as catchy as possible, and also add a button. So once you do, then you click on publish. Once you publish, voila, your ad is live and ready to go. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has been very helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I would love to see you in other videos. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.